Good morning children, welcome to my class. So today we are going to start a new lesson in English language class 3. Please see simple present tense. So this is very important. Okay, simple present tense. Now from here only you can understand what I am going to teach you. Simple present tense, that is what you understand by the word present. Present means now, what is happening now. Okay, that means present. Okay, I am teaching you. This sentence is in the present tense. Okay, you are watching me. You are watching me. This is also in the present tense. Okay, but here I am going to teach you simple present tense. Now with the I will explain you with the help of sentences. Even I'll with the help of definition also I shall teach you that the simple present tense is a verb tense with two main uses. Okay, the simple present tense, is a verb tense. Okay, is a verb tense now you see here, the simple present tense is a verb tense with mainly two uses. Okay, with mainly two uses. I am going to write down the uses. With two, the simple present tense is a verb tense with mainly two uses. Okay. Number one, we use the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening. You know what is action? When an action is happening, when a work is happening, when an action is happening right now, when an action is happening right now, or when it happens regularly, or when it happens regularly. Okay. Okay. Now you see here, let us write an example. Okay. What example we can give? I go to school daily, or I go to school every day. Because you go to school every day, now you are at home. I go to school every day. This will be a good example. So you see, with the help of this definition, I am going to explain you. The simple present tense is a verb tense with mainly two uses. Okay, we use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now. What is happening right now? I teach you every day. You can say I teach you every day. So this action, this work I do every day. I do regularly. Okay? Right now, or when it happens regularly. Now, you see here, if I say you, a week has 7 days. Now, this is a universal truth. A week has 7 days. Okay, the sun revolves, the earth revolves around the sun, right? Our earth revolves around the sun. So, all these things you see, these are universal truth, and this happens. Okay children, you see here, once again I am saying, the simple present tense is a verb tense with mainly two uses. It has two uses. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now. What is happening right now? At the present time, what is happening? What action is happening? What work is happening? Or when it happens regularly. Okay, that happens every day. Almost every day, regularly what happens? Okay, like example, I go to school every day. I go to play every day. All this type of sentences sentences which you do every day. Okay. Now please take out page number 16. Tick the sentences that tell us about things that happen always or regularly. Please take a pencil in your hand. We are going to do this in the book itself. You see, this is page 60. Once again, I am saying you think. Tick the sentences that tell us about things that happen always or regularly. You understand? What happens always? Every day it happens, or regularly, on a regular basis. Mahesh got into a fight yesterday. Mahesh got into a fight yesterday. Here we are talking about past tense. Here no present tense is there. So this sentence is wrong. Okay? We are not talking about this sentence. Here we are not talking about anything that happens always or regularly. You have to see the verb. The most important thing is you have to see the verb in the sentence. Okay? The sun sets in the west. Now you see here, the sun sets in the west. This sentence tells us something that is always true. The sun sets in the west. Every day the sun will set in the west. It rises in the east and sets in the west. So every day this is a, you can say this is a universal truth, that the sun sets in the west. So this sentence you have to tick, which happen always. I wash my car on Sundays. And one thing you have to keep in mind, please see the verb in the sentence. You have to see the verb in the sentence, whether it is in which tense. That also you have to see, okay? The sun sets in the west. You see it is in the sun sets in the west. Here, please see the verb sets. Here you see the sun is the third person, so we are using sets, okay? I wash my car on Sundays. I wash my car on Sundays. You see here, this sentence tells us something that happens at a specific time. Regularly this happens. This is actually a habit. Every Sunday, I wash my car on Sundays. Okay, in this sentence also you see, along with the, what is the subject here? Here, I wash. So this is actually, in this sentence tells us about the person's habit, you can say, which he does regularly. Means every Sunday he is doing that. I wash my car on Sundays. So from this sentence we come to know that every Sunday he washes his car. Okay, so this also sentence you have to take. Ritu is going to Kolkata next month. This sentence does not tell us anything that is happening always or regularly. Okay, so you can just put a cross. The food was finished by the time we reached. This sentence is in the past tense. So there is no need, no question. This is also wrong. You have to put Miss Dorji practices karate in the morning. Now you see here, Miss Dorji practices karate in the morning. See, every morning she practices karate. So this is her habit, which she does regularly. This activity, she practices karate. This activity she does regularly. Okay. So this sentence is also, you can say, is in the simple present tense. Okay. So just put a tick that she is doing she is doing almost every day she is doing this. In the morning she practices karate. Okay. Now you see here, all of those sentences are in the simple present tense. 2, 3, number 2, number 3 and number 6 are in the simple present tense. Okay. You see here, the simple present tense tells us that an action takes place often or regularly, or that is always true. That happens always or regularly, or that is always true. Like I said you just now, the earth revolves around the sun. Okay, the earth revolves around the sun. There are 9 planets in the solar system. Now there are 8. Pluto we don't consider it as a planet, that is dwarf planet. So there are 8 planets in the solar system. These sentences are universal truth. Okay, it is not going to change. The being verbs is, am, are and the belonging verbs has and have are verbs of the simple present tense. The being verbs, you keep in mind, is, am, are. I already taught you about is, am, are. Okay, these are used in the present tense, that is simple present tense. And has and have. is, am, are, has and have we use in the simple present tense. You have to keep in mind. Okay? Please go through whatever I taught you. Please go through this lesson, that is lesson 10, simple present tense. Okay? Thank you.